I think some reaction in Louise's mouth now.
Oh, look at that.
Hello, it's all about fun time. Today we don't know what we're doing.
Yes, you do know. You all
Volcano.
you saw the box and you are all. What is that face, William? What do you feel like?
Excited.
Excited! Come on, Louis. Show us what it is. It's a volcano eruption. Do it yourself. Keep science. You love science videos, do you?
Yeah, let's open it. There's only one glass. If you need a glass.
Oh, why don't we go and get another one?
There's one glass.
So what's inside of them?
Big one. This is my one because I left it.
We've got a volcano. That's a cute one.
These two strips.
We've got some
This is mine.
spoons,
We've got
bubbles,
some cups.
some cups. Oh, some
Powder.
chemicals.
Chemical reaction.
Yes, citric acid and sodium peroxide. Wow.
Instructions.
Do you want to go and get yourself a goggles, Louis?
I want these blue.
Can you follow instruction, Louis?
Yes.
Okay, well let's go see what
I
you're
need
doing.
William's help because I don't really know how to tip stuff. Okay, these two. Louis took Mama.
So what do you need?
So you need the cup and these two cups, they go on the volcano. Then we do that like that, and then we
mix it up.
and then we get some of that, and then we do that.
Then we put some water, and it's actually needs some coloring, red coloring. It says. What's gonna happen? What do you think gonna happen? You think lava gonna come out of it? Okay, let's
Do it! Do it! How do you open it?
you unscrew it.
It's very hard one. I can do it.
Cool. There's your 1 spoon.
Pour it in the volcano. Next spoon as well.
Put it in.
Now, no, it's the same cup. No, Louis. Now you
And
scoop
it's
it.
now we
No,
need to put
you put-
citric
no, it's
acid.
yeah, we need the apple. I do this one. I can do this one. I can do it. I can.
It doesn't fit in, Livy.
Just salt.
It's not salt. It's very, very sour citric acid. Now you mix it up.
I've got to help mixing. Oh, yes, it's still rock.
Cool. What's the next step, Louis?
We get this cup. Then we put water in it.
Okay, you want some water in it.
Then you get some food coloring. Then in the end, we put like what color food coloring? Red.
What color do you think?
Red or blue? Red.
Is lava
Water.
red or blue?
Red. No,
Water.
No, Louis.
Water.
Red. No.
You're right, William. Red, of course. We're making wild lava.
Guys, this is the lava, and then you put the food coloring and water in it just like a wrap. If you just put water in it, it'll be like normal color.
Yes, we'll see. This is 2 different chemicals, and when you add some liquid to it, it should react.
That's red.
We'll put it in here.
Yep.
Okay, so I can look.
Reaction! Lava! Look, it's lava. More. Oh. Get all of the lemon.
Wow!
Get the lava going. It's a bit too much. Look.
Whoa! It's going to come to the floor. go to the table.
What does it feel like? It's water. What does it feel like?
Is it burning?
No. This feels very cold. No, it's my turn. It's erupting. Can I do something? Oh, it's not letting me. Whoa, it's coming everywhere. Oh yeah. It's going everywhere. There's lava.
Oh, it's coming everywhere.
It's not even how you do it. Oh, we have to do it.
Okay, well, let's go make another one for William.
It's looking that massive volcano. We're gonna do a massive volcano.
We're gonna do massive explosion, aren't we, Louis? There we are. Let's put it all in.
I'm gonna put one on the cup. Man.
Oh man. Whoa.
I need more.
Mix it. Oh, that's gonna be massive.
Yeah, it's gonna be massive. That bottom bit is all be turtle. Oh, that's enough. Now we need the liquid.
Liquid. Okay, there's your liquid.
Put into it. Should I put all of it? Should I put all of it? Yes. Ah, yes. Yes. Whoa. Do it. Do it. There's a wall. I pour it inside. Is mine turning to lava?
Whoa.
Use an eruption. Whoa, the eruption! The eruption! That is all the lava.
Oopsie, that's it? Oh. Would you like to see another reaction?
Yeah! Cola!
Do you think we can get reaction from Diet Coca-Cola?
What is diet?
Oh, that's the special type of cola that doesn't have sugar in it.
Can we try some? Mints! That's gonna erupt it.
Let's see the reaction.
See? Wait. Ah. How is the bottle falling out?
Okay, let's try to get them forced in through that.
Just put them all in, William.
Woo! Oh, Louis, that's bit too much, darling.
Now just shake it.
It doesn't go.
Now.
No, it doesn't go. Just do one by one like you were doing before.
Just put most of them going into the cup. I'm gonna try.
I think that's it.
Yeah.
And that's it. Oh, I thought it's gonna be much more than that.
What's coming up? Done. Going again.
Which volcano did you like the best?
That one. Coke. Coke.
Coke volcano better than the first one?
Yes. I'm folding it up again. Diet Coca-Cola. Let's do it. It's got layers on it.
How's the minty Coca-Cola?
Same as the normal one. I love green Coca-Cola. It's the best one.
Did you have fun?
Yeah. Bye. Bye. Did you have fun? We had fun. Bye. See you next time. Bye. If you like that video, smash that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up button. Bye.
I think some reaction in Louise's mouth now.
I'm gonna look at the rack.
No.
Oh, I'm all wet. Bye, everybody. See you next time.